Welcome to our lower suite at 212 Castlebrook Way, Northeast Calgary. Here we'll find our kitchen, and across from that is the furnace room with in-suite laundry. We head over here past the entry and we'll find our living area. Nice and spacious. Head back out into the hallway. To our left we'll find our first bedroom. Again, nice and spacious. Generous closet space. In between the bedrooms we'll also find our bathroom, of course. Freshly renovated, beautiful finishings. Next to that, over here to the right, we find our second bedroom. To the right of the front, sorry. If you're in the market for something like this, please reach out to us at rentperks.com, and we'd love to have you by for a viewing sometime soon. Thank you so much for watching my video. You have a wonderful day. Bye.